today is a very rainy weather in UK, so I will just show you. So इधर रात के 9 बजे है, but it's feel like, look at this. There's a very beautiful views in summer, especially in the evening. Look at the roads. This is the very hilly area, but I like this area. Look at the beauty, guys. Look at that view, guys. It's look like hill stations in India, isn't it? And today is a very cool weather due to rain, so yeah, we enjoyed it a lot. So I'm going my home, and it will take like 7 to 8 minutes from my friend house. And there is a park over here. Such a beautiful weather. Here there is a very small narrow pathway, and I'm walking on that. So literally it feels like heaven. Look at that. This is my house area, surroundings where I live. It's a very beautiful place, like post office, the pharmacies, salon. There's a Tesco and supermarkets is nearby. So the utility is very good. So finally I'm reaching home in like just 2 to 3 minutes. That's my brother reaction, because he's waiting for me for dinner. So let's show his reaction. So I'm finally at home, but he is not at home. So that's it for the day, guys. Meet you in next vlog tomorrow. Bye.